Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up parental controls on your D-Link AC2100 router. So in order to do this, we'll need to get our app, because I'll be showing you on how to do it using an app, and that app is called D-Link Wi-Fi. Now let's click on this settings button after we've set up this router onto the app, and we've shown you how to do that in our other video, so be sure to check it out if you have any trouble. From here we can already see parental controls, so let's open it and then click on add profile. Now let's add our profile name. We'll be calling it hard home. Click on next. From here you'll be able to select all the devices you want to be applied to this profile, and this devices needs to be connected to this Wi-Fi. So if you want to set up this for a specific amount of devices, be sure that they are connected. So select this device, move to the next step. From here you'll be able to schedule a few things, so you can select to enable bedtime, set it at a specific days and time from when it's paused or when it resumes. You can also do the custom bedtime by changing these settings right here. There's a lot of things you can configure, so just work your way out on how you want to use it. Now let's enable bedtime only, or actually disable it, because I just want to show you how to do it. This profile does not have a time period selected to allow internet access. Deny internet access for this profile. Let's actually enable bedtime just in case, move to the next step and then yes. You can also go for adding websites to be blocked by this router, so if somebody tries to open this website, it will be blocked. So add any website, name it and enter its domain key, which is simply the link for this website. Click done when you actually added any website, and then just move to the next step. I'm gonna skip it. Here we have our profile. And from here we can either add devices, change the schedule name, or adjust any other settings, or just change them. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.